Good morning, everybody. How are you? I just wanted to let you know that we are at, oops, you're not going to be able to see that with the light on. Let me turn the light off. We are at 29,955 subscribers, 45 left. We can do this, right? So if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button for me. I can tell you that, let's see, audience, analytics. Let me see. Audience. You guys. 51.2% of you who watch my videos are not yet subscribed. Half of you aren't subscribed. I only need 45 more people out of several hundred that watch every week. That shouldn't be hard. Come on, you guys. Just hit that button for me. I would appreciate it very, very much. And now we're going to get on to the video. I'm feeling like doing another one of Alina's beautiful cards. So let's mix some things up. Not that that's going to make any difference because I have no idea in what order anything is, but you know what? We're just going to mix them up anyways. Come on. Mix them up a little bit. And then let's pick one. There. That's the one for today. It was the one that was meant for today. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Faen is the name. Let's zoom in here. Looks like it's like fan. This pattern is drawn with a single continuous line. Really? Okay. I'll have to practice that. So it appears that we come up, over, and down, up, over, and down, up, over, and down. So I guess if we were drawing it with one continuous line, we go up, over, down, up, over, down, up, over, down, up, over, down, up, over, down. We will have to try that. And then she says, here's the one with the triangular. Then you can do it in a roundy, bigger, smaller, smaller, or with a more leaf-like shape. Interesting. And there's her artwork. Beautiful piece of artwork. That's not what we're going to do. We're going to do something else. We're just inspired by the pattern, Faen. All right, which size should I do? Let's do one of these sizes. I haven't done this size in a while. Let's just do what's on top. Red. We're going for red. Pen. What size pen do I want to draw with today? 2? What happened to my missing? Oh, there it is. There it is. My Copic 01. Let's try that. And do we have an idea of where we want to go with this? Let's do I'm going to draw a like stem, and I'm going to have these coming off of that stem, maybe something like that. Okay, so let's do that. So we're going to start with up, over, and down, up, over, and down, up, over, and down, over, and down, up, over, and down. Well, that was fairly simple. Did you see that, or was I completely off screen? I may have been completely off screen. So we're going to do another one. I'm going to start here. I'm going to just do them coming down this line, I think. Up, over, and down. 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 Just like that. Up, over, and down. 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 That's cool. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is so easy to draw, but it looks much harder. Wow, I like this. Okay, do 2 more. Up, over, and down, up, over, and down, up, over, and down, up, over, and down, up, over, and down. 1 more. Up, over, and down, up, over, and down, up, over, down, up, over, and down, up, over, and down. Okie doke. There I have a line full of these, and then maybe coming out from that line I will do some with the leaf shape. Let's do that. Let's do something like that. And the roundy fan shape. That's interesting. Okay, I'll take that. Let's do another fan shape one here. That didn't plan out very well, but that's all right. Let's do this one. Do the leaf shape again. And then the fan shape. Like that. Fan shape. That's interesting. I'm okay with this. Let's do that. Let's just do this. This is going to be faster than I thought. We're going to give ourselves some shading and some highlights. How do I want to shade this? Let's first sign it. Which way do I want it to go? Let's go that way. That way. That way. Okay, let's shade. How to shade? That's a good question. How do we want to shade? Do we want to just shade like that? that first. Yep, something like that. I'm good with that. Good with that. Let's do this. I'm using a very soft pencil. I'm using a 6B for this, so I'm not needing a whole lot of graphite on here to get it a really smudgy texture, which is cool. Okay, we'll try that. And then I think we're going to put some highlights. I don't know that I want to do white. I think maybe pink. That would give me that light, but I don't want to get out of the red realm here. Okay. Let's do a pink highlight. I think that's good. Yep, lots of fun. Easy. This is going to be a quick and easy one. Didn't think it was going to be quick and easy. Thought we might have a complicated draw today. But it's not. put just a little dab of white on here. Maybe. I really like what the white does. We may have to highlight the highlights with white. Just a little bit. Maybe with my gel pen. Let's make sure my gel pen is writing. Just making little dots of the brightest bright. Come on, draw. A little chilly in my studio today. We had beautiful weather yesterday. Yesterday it was almost 80. But today is, it's currently 70 and it's supposed to be rainy tomorrow, so. And we're supposed to have a, what do they call it? What did the news call it? I just read it just a little while ago. A weather river? What do they call it? I think so. It's a fancy way for saying it's gonna rain. And it's gonna rain for a few days because there's a weather river coming. Whatever that means. There we go. That's cool. I like that. I like it a lot. I think I want some darker bits in here though. Extra dark down in these valleys. Like that. There we go. That's better. I needed a little more contrast. And then we're done. Quick one for today. Look at that. That was easy. All right, you guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place. Oops, I just smudged that white. Oh well. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I will see you on the next video, which will be, what is today? Today's probably a Monday. Yes, looks like today is a Monday. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Go out and do something nice for someone. Have a blessed day. Hit that subscribe button for me. That would be a good blessing for me. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.